FBI, Dillinger, we know you're in there.
Money never sleeps for Dillinger.
Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-na-na-na-na-na.
We need an international spy agency to counter the Soviets.
Oh my, Mr. Hoover, what are you doing?
Oh, never mind. What do you need?
Mr. Truman needs an international spy agency.
All right, I'll go talk to him. Mr. President, I heard you want to run an international agency.
What's it to you, Hoover?
Well, the FBI has had such a great track record that I thought you should let my bureau run the international scene.
Yeah, I'll think about it, Hoover. Fellow Americans, we want no Gestapo or secret police. The FBI is tending in that direction. They are dabbling in sex life, scandals, and plain blackmail. J. Edgar Hoover would give his right eye to take over, and all congressmen and senators are afraid of him.
Sir, Truman created the Central Intelligence Agency. We didn't get the job.
That bastard. I'll show that bastard.
Good evening, Mr. Nixon. I have some information here that says that some of Truman's committee members are actually commies.
I'm not a crook.
I know you're not, Mr. Nixon, but will you also pass this information on to Senator McCarthy, too?
Sure thing.